Hey guys, it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but have a good one to share with you guys today. I've been working on my 928S4 and want to show you some things that I've done recently to it. And this is pretty neat. I actually had the center console recovered in leather and then with the deviated red stitching. So I did the center console, and also I installed a short shifter from 928 Motorsports, including all the new shifter bushings. And then I had the cassette tray or cassette compartment also redone, so that all looks great. I also got the digital clock working, so that's nice. And then I also had the glove box redone, and then this bottom shelf done in the same matching leather. So that wasn't cheap, but it looks amazing and smells nice inside here and looks great. So wanted to share that with you guys. And next I will focus my attention on the seats with matching leather, and I'm certainly looking forward to that. So stay tuned for that. But beyond that, I got back from the powder coaters yesterday. My intake manifold, the valve covers, the tow hook, and then the exhaust or the muffler heat shields. They all came out really good, and that'll go on here in the next few weeks. So looking forward to uploading a video as I go through that installation. Just let me know what you guys think about the intake manifold. I had my powder coater media blast inside here, but not coated, and so it's still the raw metal or raw alloy. I was worried about the powder coating flaking off in time and getting sucked inside the engine, so I left it raw. So let me know what you guys have done in the past, because that was a question I certainly have. So anyway, that's that. And I guess one last thing is I also had my gauge pod re-dyed to match the new leather. So that's that. That'll go in at some point. So lots going on the 928, and keeping you guys updated on the progress. The car's coming together really nicely, and looking forward to getting it off those jack stands where it's been for a while. And I'm putting some miles on it. I'm aching to drive it, especially with the new 928 Motorsports short shift kit and bushings. It's really tightened up the feel between all the gears, and it'll really enhance the way the car performs and drives. So more to come. Take care. Hope you're all doing well. Bye.